Friends, today in this video of SEO course, we will learn about Google Search Console. So what is the URL inspection feature? What are the benefits of URL inspection feature? How to use it? Friends, Google Search Console video and along with that. If you watch all the videos of this SEO course properly and attentively, if you practice it, then you can become an SEO expert, okay? You can take advantage of this for your business or job. You can also do freelancing. Friends, watch this video till the end and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming important videos or courses. Alright, one more thing. Marketing Fundas has brought a Maha Bundle course only for you guys. Friends, inside this, there are more than 50 digital and technical courses. The link is provided in the description. Click on it and start your learning and earning today. And along with that, if you need information about our new partner program, you can call or WhatsApp us on the given numbers. So friends, let's go and learn. For digital marketing services, training and consultancy, you can call on the given number or visit our website.
So hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to talk about a very amazing tool and feature of Google Search Console. Within this section, we will know what is URL inspection. In the previous video, we covered indexing related issues and we understood the different types of errors that can occur in indexing. It is crawled, it is not indexed. Here we learned all those things in the last video. Okay, now, so in this particular video, here we will know that URL inspection option is available in Search Console. What is the use of URL inspection and what all things does it help you with, right? So the first thing is URL inspection, which is the feature you get here. What is Google Search Console? Inside this, it shows your status related to indexing. That is, when was your page indexed or whether it is indexed or not. Is it submitted in Google or not? Is it available in Google or not? Is it indexed or not? You can get all those statuses in URL inspections. Also, you can test any URL if you want, right? And then this can do your test live. Okay, it means it can test the URL live. You can see live also how it looks, what codes are in it, and what changes are happening, right? And you can get it forcibly indexed here. Okay, got it? You can place a request. That is, you can do request indexing so that in case if your URL, any specific post, any blog or any page is not indexed in Google for a long time. So from here, you can forcefully request it for indexing so that it gets indexed as soon as possible. But that also has a time period. The minimum is 48 hours. So it gets indexed within that time period, right? And then another thing we get to know in this is what type of resources in your page. That means whichever page you inspected, what resources are available in it. Are there any types of errors? Is there any error of canonical tag? So here we get to know the errors related to tags. What things related to canonical tags are used in it, right? So let us watch this. So as we have a blog on the scope of digital marketing, right? Now we will test this blog here, whether this blog is available to us or not. The first thing in the inspect URL, we come here and let's paste the URL and then see what things are there in it, right? As soon as you put it here, it might take some time, but it doesn't take long. So basically what is showing in URL inspection, the inspected URL is the one we inspected. It shows that the URL is on Google. That means if you search this URL, if you search on Google, then you will find this blog on top, right? It's showing here because it's on Google. The URL is on Google, right? And then here, if you want, like, in case if your status is coming, URL is not on Google. So in that case, what can you do? You can do request indexing, right? Now an option is visible here. View crawled page. That means the page which has been crawled. In this, basically you see bots which crawl in a certain way. So the codes are visible in them. Everything is just codes. So they essentially crawl this content, right? Now this code is quite long. So you can either scan through it or scroll it. Now here's the screenshot. For this screenshot, what will you have to do? Test live URL. This means you have to do live test. Then you will see the screenshot here. So what you can do here is to see the crawl page, you have to first test live URL, then you will see it here. Okay. So here we test the live URL and it is possible that it may take some time to live. That means to make the test live because there may be a lot of content on your page. Sometimes what happens is that if the content is long, it takes some time to do the live, right? Now, what do we have after this? Page indexing related information. video page indexing, related information, mobile usability, breadcrumbs, site link, search box, right? So we will cover these things as well. Let us see what all things are included in page indexing here and what type of information you get here. You get canonical tags information. In case if you think your website has canonical issues, basically canonical tag issues, that means it is considering any other URL as well, then from here you get to know about that error and you can check it from here and fix that thing. So if you want to do a live test, you can test it live, view it there. You can also see the screenshot as to what type of page you are seeing, right? So now these are the things. It may take some time to get the test URL live. After that, we have to do page indexing related issues. That is, inside page indexing, you get information like when it was indexed, what's been indexed. So you will see all those things here inside page indexing. Okay. So guys, as we tested here, what is being shown here? URL is available to Google, but has issues. Now these issues are related to what exactly? The details will be mentioned below, right? So there is no issue related to page and video discovery here. Also there is issue related to mobile usability. Okay. Page isn't usable on mobile, right? So what's so special in it? Let's check it out. So why is it not usable here? So it is showing here and a warning is appearing. Text too small to read. And the second one is clickable elements to close together. What must we do? This needs to be fixed. And where will you test this? So where did you find this error or warning? You got this in the live test, right? So let's take a closer look at what is too small. So here is the test done by the bot, the smartphone bot, right? So according to that, here the text is very small. Okay. And the clickable elements are positioned very close to each other. Got it? All right. So what do you have to do with this thing? You have to fix it, but there is nothing like that. If we try this blog in phone mode as well, so it will look properly on your blog. Is it correct or not? See further. So sometimes it happens. It looks like according to your bots, according to your smartphone bots. So according to that, there might be an error in it because it happens in live tests. So now let's do it backwards. If this is actually your case, then you can fix it. Otherwise, video discovery, that means the video is detected because we have also added a video to this page that is in this post. We have also posted a video in the blog, so you will also find the video. So what is coming here is video detected. The thing that is coming upside, information related to the page, that is the information coming related to the page availability, page can be indexed. So in this, like, it is indexed, crawling is allowed, it is successfully fetching, indexing is allowed, yes, it is. Okay. What is the time? It is crawling time, July 9th, right? And here it is declaring that our indexing canonical tag is proper. Okay. So from this point onward, you can see your tag. I hope you can see it. This was our live test, right? Therefore, at this point, you can also come to the tested page and see the screenshot. On the tested page in this way and this way, you'll get the screenshot. Okay. So these are all the key elements and details that you get during the inspection process. You can inspect the URL. We recently posted a blog here. Okay. So first of all, we will index it. We bring it into desktop mode and then return here. And we check any latest blog of ours to see if it has been inspected or not and indexed or not. So let's test it here and let us commence. It was uploaded a few days ago. So let's try this. It has been indexed or not. If it is not indexed, then we will index it here. Suppose it is not indexed, what will be displayed here? URL is not available on Google. So what will we do in that case? We will do request indexing. Okay. But what we have done is request indexing, and then from here we can index. Also, we can request for indexing. So what Google will do, it will index a particular post of yours within 48 hours, right? So guys, you get all these features, okay, under URL inspection options. So guys, that's all for this video. We will bring more interesting topics in upcoming videos, okay? Till then, thank you so much.
I hope you liked this video very much. If you liked it, let me know in the comments. If you have any queries or doubts, you can also write them there. Friends, if you want to take digital marketing services or training from Marketing Fundas, you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call on given number. Marketing Fundas launched a partner program through which you can generate instant income by selling courses. Link in the description. Friends, don't delay. Click and join the course. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.